Alright guys, welcome back to the Nico Brothers. I'm Ivan.
And I'm Mike.
And we're continuing the build on the Raptor. A lot of progress is getting done. Michael's been doing a lot with the interior, he's getting it done. So now it's my turn. And I've been working too. And finally we found a set of fenders, aftermarket fenders. For some reason online I was having a hard time finding them for a good deal. And so I went on Facebook and I found somebody selling them locally. So we picked them up and let's check them out. So here's one fender. Michael, look at this. It's pretty good
Nice.
condition, huh?
Oh yeah, they're great. They're wide. It's gonna match the rest of our truck.
And we got this guy.
Oh yeah.
So just before we paint them, I kind of want to mock them up, make sure they're gonna fit good. This fiberglass and all. It looks like he's tried to put them on his truck, so we gotta fix that. But these are the wider ones, so it's gonna match our rear bed. Pretty heavy?
No, it's really light. Look good.
And they're a one piece, so look at that.
Yeah, nice.
And then I got the progress done on the hood. So before I primer the hood, we want to put the two front doors on. We're going to put the fender on, the hood, and just line everything up, make sure everything's good, make sure we got no damage with the radiator support or these rails or anything. So. And then we'll be ready to put it onto the frame.
Yeah.
So, a lot of progress. Hopefully it'll be done today, and hopefully mock it up and then get the primer on it. And that's gonna be left. That's it. Let's get to it.
Let's do it.
Alright, so we're ready to put some primer down. You guys check out all this little body filler ready to put on. Fix all these little scratchers and little dings. We got all the doors stripped out all the way, so this one we're gonna primer all the way. The white one, the bottom, we're gonna primer all the way. So a lot of work, but make sure it's all nice and flat. We'll lock the primer down, but we'll let the primer sit. This one had a pretty big ding in it actually. But it's coming along. Just gonna wax and grease it, mix up some primer, and we'll start putting it down. primer on. It turned out super nice. All that sanding I did, blocking, all the dents fixing, looks straight. Spray some dry coat so we can block them later. And we're gonna let it sit for a day or so. We still gotta work on the hood and the fenders. And then once all that's good, then we'll start sanding everything. Because we want to paint everything at one time. So it'll match since we're in the pearl white. That's gonna be a lot of sanding. That's gonna be nice and straight. Heck yeah, that's good. Still work on the hood. So here's the hood. I just did a little bit of fiberglass repair on it. Wasn't too bad at all. Reinforced it a little bit because it was cracked off right here. So I got that ready for some filler. And this side had a little bit too. Not too bad. Just put some on the edge a little bit to reinforce it. Let's put some filler on it. And hopefully we can get a primer today. And underneath a little bit. Not too bad. So let's get to it. Alright, so we finally got the cab on the lift. So that was a little adventure. But look what came in, the headlights. So let's try to put them on, see how the fitment's gonna be. We do have the grill, and then we'll know 100% how much more we gotta fix this hood. I found a couple little imperfections, but I'll just test fit the headlights really quick and see how they look. So pretty much the headlights don't bolt up to anything over here. So I had to get the upper radius core off. So let's put that on and then we'll try it again with the headlights. Out. What do you guys think about these headlights? We've got they're aftermarket. We got those big DRLs on there. But yeah, I like them a lot. So this side fitment's not bad at all. We're gonna have to replace the two hood hinges. Just sitting a little bit high. But fitment on this one is actually pretty nice. I'm surprised. Look at that. On this fender, I don't know. We're gonna have to cut that out, make it a little bit straighter. We still gotta fix this. It's bulging out too much, so we'll fix that. Fix this a little bit. It's definitely a high spot. But yeah, let's check it out. It's turning out sweet. What do you guys think about these fenders? Plus that aftermarket bumper we're gonna put on there. This thing's gonna look beefy. But yeah, unfortunately that's all the time we got. So let's go pick our giveaway winners.
Alright guys, welcome back. This is the time to find our winner.
pretty low to the comments. We have 834 comments. That's pretty good.
Heck yeah, that's
Nice.
really awesome.
Thanks, guys. We appreciate commenting, you know, getting out there, talking about it. Let's find our first winner.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1. All right, Mike. You won. Perfect. Comment Raptor. You get a little Raptor sign. We'll send that out as soon as you give us your address.
As soon as you email us.
Yeah.
Just email us at Eco Brothers. But in the description will be all the rules and regulations and how to reach us and everything. Let's pick number 2.
All right, Craig Gibson.
Awesome.
Perfect.
Michael, are we still doing another giveaway this video?
Yeah, for sure. Make sure you comment Raptor, subscribe, follow us along. That way you'll know when, you know, the next video comes out. Turn on the little notification button, the little bell. You won't miss a chance to win.
And share the video.
Yeah, that'd be great.
And if you guys have Instagram, follow us on Instagram.
Yeah, if you do.
Alright, let's pick the next winner. The last winner is going to be...
Well, right now it's just the most liked comment. Just this guy, they like you. Oscar, they like you.
Oscar, you're the most liked comment. You didn't win, but
They like your comment. Yeah, here we go.
last one.
3, 2, 1. Jason. Congrats. You are the winner.
You're our third winner.
We'll get that out to you guys. Hope you like your custom little sign we made for you. And stay tuned and we'll get that Raptor going. Until next time.
Sounds good.